The next question type that we're going to look at is a video response. From the left, we're going to select video. This response type is very similar to the audio response, but instead of capturing just audio, as the name says, we're going to capture video as well. So let's get something up here in our question setup. So again, as a former German teacher, describe the weather for each season of the year in German. And I'm going to adjust our time from that default 600 to 120 seconds. So they would have a full 2 minutes to do this. We can attach our learning objectives and we can align a rubric down here at the bottom of the screen. If we click preview question, we're going to see instead of just an audio recorder, we have a video recorder here embedded within Schoology. So this is a really nice tool to be able to see your student as they respond. This can help cut down on possible looking at notes while they are recording something for you, because you'll be able to see their face as they respond to the question. Down here at the bottom, they have the record button. They can pause, and then they can also delete and start over with a video response. Students would also see any learning objectives or rubrics aligned to this question. And we can go back over here to our question type and save. If you did align a rubric, the points possible will automatically adjust here, or you can set that yourself if you don't align a rubric. So the record video is, again, a great way to hold your students a little bit more accountable to responding to a prompt without any notes, without any extra resources, because you'll be able to see how they are responding to you for this question type.